let it go on first, it's a wrap. So it does not like shifting at all, bro, at all. So yeah, definitely can't wait to put this new trans on. I'm just hoping everything goes smooth too, because now I'm kind of worried because there's two ways to go about this. Basically, you could change the vanals bodies on the transmission from one trans to the other, or you could get it coated. Well guys, it's the next day basically. Next 2 days. Like I was saying, it's the next 2 days. I'm about to take that box out, turn on the Supra. You guys are gonna see it move for the first time in a long time. Move it out the way, put that box in the passenger seat, and then we're gonna put the sedan in the garage, and then we out with the Supra. We got an appointment to change this oil to transmission fluid today. I keep saying oil, but it's the same shit, transmission oil. And yeah, let's get that done. Alright, I look. Got my Supra sweater. You guys see, we're inside the Supra. I'm gonna let it warm up for a bit before we take off. But we in here. We in. Got the package, oil and all that. Tires in the back, ready to get installed. Brand new tires. So yeah, can't wait. I'm gonna go head to the shop. We gotta be there. I'm trying to be there by at least 9:30ish, almost 10. So right now I think it's almost 9:10 or something like that. So yeah, we should get there. You guys can see I'm driving it very slow, chilling, very calm driving. I'm not trying to drive it hard or nothing until we change the oil. We're not going very far, going 25 miles an hour steady, no high revs, no nothing. So that way I get no complaints from nobody, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, this is a strong oil that's on it right now. It's a strong transmission fluid, but like I said, I'd rather just have the recommended one just to be 100% safe. This is just for me to be safe, because I know how I am. I have a heavy foot, and I don't want to be ripping and then having that in the back of my head, like, oh shit, I don't have the one that's the oil that's recommended. But this one's good. As the oil that's in it right now is supposed to be good as well. But I'm not trying to take that chance at all. I already had enough to deal with this month, and I think it's a month and a week. So we're just gonna get the oil change, man. Transmission oil flushed twice basically, because I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it once right now, and then I'm gonna drive it for like maybe, I don't know, maybe like 20 miles or something in the highway. Come back, change the pan, and change the fluid again. And then we're gonna be good to go. Do the first pull, real pull after that. Because right now I'm not doing any pulls the way it is right now. Just in case. Just in case. This is for me, just in case. Car's at the shop here. Just finished it. Just got the trans fluid flushed. And the tires as well. So now I'm gonna take it for a drive for like 20 miles, maybe 30 miles. So I could, you know, cycle with the new oil, and then we're gonna drain it one more time and swap the fan fluid, swap the pan with the filter, and then we should be done. I'm in the car right now. We did the flush like I said, and the tires. I'll show you guys in a second. Well, for you guys will be a second, but drive the car around now, put some miles on it, so you guys can see. Driven 3 miles to the shop to get everything done. So just in case nobody can say anything that, oh my god, it's your fault that, no, if anything happens to this trans, it's because this trans was not good. But Everything's changed. You got AMS fluid right now. Only driven the car 3 miles with the last fluid. So now I'm gonna reset it, see how many miles we could get. We're gonna reset it now. So now it's on AMS fluid. Everything's flushed out. New fluid. We're gonna flush it one more time just to be 100% safe. And I don't even have to do that, but I'm just gonna do it for my safety. I have the fluid in here, so we're gonna do it one more time later on. And yeah, enjoy the car. Kill it. Feels good to be back, bro. Like I said, I ain't gonna beat on it. Just breaking it in. I'm gonna break it in for 100 miles. Drive it back to the shop. Do a flush one more time, and then we're gonna be good to go to rip it. I'm excited. Give you some light throttle action. Nothing crazy. Like I said, I can't go too rough yet. We're so far in, 2 miles. Nothing crazy. Feels good to be back, baby. Yo, I gotta see. I'm happy, bro. I'm so excited, bro. I'm fucking excited, bro. It feels so good to be back, bro. You don't understand, man. 1 month and like what, 2 weeks, bro, since the incident. Nothing but letdowns, bro. I'm about to post. I'm posting this video. So you guys can see the text message I had to go through with people, man. I don't have every message because some of them were on phone call. They will tell me to schedule. And then I'll freaking call them or text them, and then they won't. Oh, they'll be like, oh, either they don't answer, or they're not available, or they're doing something else with somebody else and shit. After I already scheduled, bro. Like a month ahead, a week ahead, 2 weeks ahead, like, bro. People are fucking unprofessional. A lot of people don't want to help me. I guess they don't want to see another Supra running better than their shit. So it is what it is. I'm going to shops, bro. But even shops, coders suck. I had a coder in New York. Waste of time. Coder over here that was known from a friend sucked. Then there was the transmission fluid. It was hard to find, hard to get. I finally got a whole bunch of it. I even got extra. So now I can do the flush. I'm gonna do the flush now, and I have enough to do a flush in the future. When the car has about 60,000 more miles if I wanted to, or 30,000 miles, whenever I want to flush it again, just to be safe. You know what I'm saying? To keep this transmission clean. But, bro, it's been a long journey, bro. But the car has a pure trans now, a race converter now. It's able now. It's literally, if I put a big turbo on it, this car can handle 900 horsepower on the stock block. Stock motor can handle 900 horsepower. Reliably, I don't know about that, but because I've seen them blow at 850 and 900 after a while, you know what I'm saying? It takes a while of abuse, but reliably, I think this car can handle 800 horsepower, reliable, stock motor. So I'll probably eventually, we'll see, fingers crossed, we'll see what happens. I don't know what way I'm gonna take. Don't know what way I'm gonna take, but for now, I just want to enjoy the car, and that's basically what I'm doing. I'm happy. Thank you guys for staying tuned. Thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you guys for the positivity. The same way I give positive feedback back. Remember, always stay positive, and everything will go your way eventually, no matter how many letdowns or setbacks like me. A lot of setbacks, hella setbacks, and we're here now. Look, we're back in the Supra. No checking light, no transmission issues so far. Everything's good. So now I'm gonna drive 400 miles, do the last flush, and then we're gonna rip it. And I also got a surprise for you guys, man. My cousin and I have a surprise for you guys, bro. I've been waiting to show you guys this surprise, bro. I can't wait to show you guys. We have another surprise. Not only this car's back, but the other surprise I'm about to show you guys soon, hopefully today. You're probably gonna like it way more than me driving this Supra right now. So yeah, that's how big the surprise is. But anyways, I'll show you guys the car. Driving, as you guys can see, in the damn highway. So far we had 6 miles. I'm not gonna do any pulls right now, so I don't want to make it long of a video, but I just want to show you guys the car is running. I'm gonna put 100 miles on it, like I said, and then basically I'll get back to you guys. I pick up the camera when I can show you the outside of the car and with the new tires and stuff, and when we do the last flush, that way we can start ripping this car. I know you guys want to see that more than me just driving the car on normal mode, cruising on the highway. So I got here to my cousin's house. He was washing his car.
Shut up.
He didn't want to wash my shit.
Shut the fuck up, because I told you to pull back.
He didn't want to wash my shit. John, he's proof, yo, right? He didn't want to wash my shit.
Yo, John, stop being a fucking.
See?
I don't know nothing about. Nigga, I didn't even.
I was even willing to wash this shit.
No, there's a manual Supra. It's my cousin's car. Congratulations to him. As you can see, it's a freaking manual. I might throw a clip in of me driving it, but I'm gonna make a whole video of me driving the manual Supra and then comparing it. I know you didn't clean the inside. This is a different video, bro. This is a video I was recording since earlier. I was vlogging earlier, bro. Relax. You see, he don't wash my car and he be mean to me, bro. Shit. Where's the car? Look at the rims. Look nice, look nice. Yeah.
Oh shit.
Basically my twin. My car is outside over there. We'll be in that in a second, but I just want to show you guys this guy's car, my cousin. Congratulations to his ass. Car's sexy. Looking really good and shiny. 2 Supras, man. Mine. 2 whiteys. Manual, baby. 2 Supras. This one, it's a manual. And then we got my auto. Yeah, we got the tires done. She's finally running, guys. We'll show you a few pools in the highway. Haven't cleaned my car yet, it's still dirty. Gotta clean it. He cleaned his right just recently, literally just now. He just cleaned it. Mine's still dirty, I gotta clean it, but not that bad, bro. Not that bad. Look at the rims difference. Like so sexy. So sexy, bro. So sexy. Guys, I'm just happy my car's back. I'm 100% happy, bro. Stay tuned for the next videos, because this video I'm not trying to make it too long. So I'm gonna show you guys a couple pools in the highway going back. Tomorrow I'm gonna wake up at 9 o'clock in the morning and to do the last flush on my car, and then I could officially beat on it. So the footage that you guys are about to see of me doing pools in a few is gonna be half throttle pools. I'm not doing full pools until tomorrow when I do my last flush. But yeah, enjoy this, because we're gonna have manual Supra videos, automatic built Supra videos. So we're gonna have a lot of content coming. Stay tuned. I promise you guys not a partial throttle pool as the ending of the video. So you guys are gonna have to stay tuned if you want to see a full video of me doing pulls, which is tomorrow after I do the last flush. I do a little mini half throttle. It's on E30 right now, by the way. Yeah, you see, definitely need alignment. That shit feels so wobbly. Feels amazing though. Feels freaking amazing. Feels good, right? I wish I could full throttle it, but not yet. Oh man, it feels good. It's hugging the corners pretty good. Okay. I drove the manual Supra today, and I feel more confident in the manual one. But this one is good. Partial throttle, not even at 50